$500 from Google with a copy and paste system. All you have to do is just go to www. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step exactly how to earn $500 per day from Google with a copy and paste system. I'm even going to show you how to automate it with artificial intelligence so you don't have to do any of the work yourself. But before we jump into it, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below this video and smash a thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm to see. As you can see, a nice big PayPal payment sent to me for simply utilizing this copy paste system. So make sure to stick around and do not skip over any of the steps now. The 3 steps to earning $500 per day from Google with a copy and paste system. Our step number 1 is I'll be revealing the top Google search that will earn you $500 per day. Step number 2, I'll be showing you how to automate the work with the artificial intelligence. Let's go ahead and jump onto Google, and I'm going to give you the Google search that's going to earn you $500. So what you are going to type list words into the Google, then what's going to come up in is the site right here. You're going to go to the site. As you can see, it says write and get paid, and this site top 10 blog article. Okay, now this site is